Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to discuss a book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. In this book, Dr. Joseph Murphy briefly explains the power of beliefs and the power of subconscious mind and its impacts on our practical life. He says that how beliefs and our subconscious mind affects our life and daily activities and it affects our career and everything in our life. So he puts light in this book. He puts light on love, wisdom, guidance, understanding. Practical example. This book is all about spirituality and meditation and its benefits. He throws light on marital issues and then he gives some suggestion after explaining it. He throws light on retirement life and renewal of life. So I think if you want to read it, go for it. This book, it's a very good book and it will clarify your many questions and it will clarify your confusion too. Thank you and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.